Ever since I posted the video about buying this Tesla, the same question keeps popping up. Why go for a used Tesla in 2025 when you could just buy a brand new one? Well, today, I'm breaking it down because choosing an approved used Tesla Model 3 didn't just save me money. It actually made more sense than buying a new one, and if you're shopping for a Tesla, this might save you a serious chunk of your budget. So this is my Tesla Model 3 2021 model, and I picked it up in 2025 as an approved used, and as at the time I picked it up, it had 36,000 miles on it, and I paid £22,000 for it. So it's got a lovely interior, it's got heat pump, it's got a decent range, and to be honest, it delivers about 90% of what a brand new Tesla Model 3 would offer at lesser the price. On average, electric vehicles could lose between 30 to 40% of their value in the very first 12 months of purchase, and even some electric vehicles will lose up to 50% of their value in the very first 1 year of purchase. And for comparison, most new cars will lose between 15 to 35% of their value in the very first 1 year of purchase. Electric vehicles tend to sit at the higher end of depreciation because the battery technology is rapidly evolving or improving, and secondly, there are still some concerns about battery health. And here is the big thing to be mindful of: depreciation. Electric vehicles have been a bit all over the place. For example, Tesla has adjusted pricing multiple times, incentives have come and gone, and the competition in the EV market at the moment is fierce. So what does that mean? Used Tesla, especially the approved used ones, could be a great value for the performance you're looking for, and a lot of that initial depreciation, the huge initial depreciation, has already happened, and things tend to level out more evenly over time. And that's the reason sometimes going used can make a lot of sense. Take for example, the 2020 to 2021 Porsche Taycan is now selling for about £35,000 to about £50,000, which is 40 to 50% lesser than what you would pay if you're buying a new, which costs about £90,000. So for me, instead of paying thousands more for slightly updated headlights or a subtle redesigned bumper, I get the same software, I get the same efficiency, the same supercharging network, the same safety system, all without paying that new car premium. And because I bought an approved used directly from Tesla, I still got a full inspection, a warranty extension, a guarantee clean history, and the same easy Tesla delivery process, just without the new car price tag. – 2021 was like the golden year for Tesla Model 3. That was the same year Tesla introduced heat pump, which would greatly or massively improve cold weather range. The center console got refreshed with the matte black trim. You have the new center console, and depending on the car, you either get the NCA longer range battery or you have the newer LFP battery pack. It's the perfect middle ground. It is new enough to avoid early model quakes, and then it is old enough to benefit from depreciation. And that combination is why 2021 cars are such strong value today. And then there are running costs. For me, my predicted running cost for these Model 3 costs less per month than my old petrol car, although the cost of insuring an electric vehicle might cost a little more than insuring a gas car.
So let's see this charging.
So I know
actually there in it, but make sure you unwrap all of this.
Okay.
Okay, just because it'll overheat. So just make sure it's fully unravelled.
Oh, okay.
Okay, because if you do that, if you leave it like that,
It's going to overheat.
Yeah, it's just like an extension lead. You're meant to.
Okay.
Right then, so if you go on your phone, it's flashing.
Okay.
I need to approve it. I also need to take a photo of it.
Electric vehicle maintenance is comically simple. No oil changes, no clutch, no exhaust, fewer moving parts, and the regenerative braking means the brake pads last longer. And most of the ownership cost is just tires and charging, and that's it. Going used might come with some compromises. For instance, I don't have the interior features of the island, like the ambient lighting. The interior is a bit noisy when this is on the highway. And even though I have heated seats, I don't have some of the comfort features of the newer model. These are just convenience or cosmetic upgrades. It has nothing to do with the range, the performance, or the efficiency. And with the amount of money saved, I think I'm okay with the trade-off. And that's the reason I've gone for an approved use. The Tesla Model 3 gives me fantastic range, good software experience, low running cost, and great value without paying premium of buying a new one. And if you're thinking about buying a used electric vehicle, any brand, I'm working on the full detailed video covering exactly what to check before you buy. Things like the battery health, the charging history, the heating wear, and everything you need to know. So make sure you don't miss it. So we're ready to go. Yeah, the couple of things I need to set before moving. And if you found this video very useful, drop a like, put a comment, subscribe, and then I'll see you in the next one.